Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the 8th of August, 2013. And I showed this the other day, this overlay. This is a weather pattern that was on over North America the other day. It's still pretty much there. I can show it to you. But it's not as defined, as circular as as it was this day. This is like the day before yesterday. I saved this image of the weather. I'll go ahead and show you the other weather real quick. This is the live weather. We can still see that circular pattern somewhat. Not a whole lot, but I mean, yeah, there you go. There it comes. Yeah, it does that like that. See this big circular pattern right here? Oh my goodness. That is important. That's showing something very important. Because I saved that image. I overlaid it over here in the Pacific because over here it's difficult for me to do anything towards the pole. It starts to squeeze the picture like I've described and mentioned a bunch of times. So anyways, I saved North America. I put it in the middle of the Pacific. At the equator I can overlay a picture just fine. So that's why I put it here. Right in the middle of the Earth. Okay, now you see that circular pattern. And I showed you how in the video I made the other day how I put down the side of the moon that we see over this first, and it looked like it could have hit there too, but this is for sure. There's no doubt about this. No getting around this. You better start taking a look at it. I mean, it's not even the first, not even the only thing, not even the only impact to people, not even close. But this one fits so perfect. This is the picture I always use of Mare Oriental. Like I said in that last video, I just threw it up there. It put itself pretty much right into position. All I had to do was turn this crater right to the spot that I could see. See that round area right there? It was over just a little off to the side here, and I just moved it, just turned it just a little bit to line that up. And it's not even lined up all the way yet, but I mean it's close enough. Close enough. Because what it is lined up is the whole thing, really. And I got different images of Mare Oriental up here that I'm going to show you. But this right here, I mean, you can see this area very clear, very clearly. Then you got this curve right here. See the curve in the weather? This is not coincidence, people. Don't even put it off as no big deal. I'm telling you right now, this is a big deal. You may not want to know, but it's a big deal. Look at that line. It comes right around the outside edge right there. I mean, it just fits there perfectly. That's not the only area. It fits there. Look at the center. Look at the center, right in the center of that spiral area there. Okay, then you can just look at the land, not just the weather. Look at the land. This whole area right here is, I mean, it's all there. Curving in the right spot. Everything's just right there. See shape of Greenland right there, pretty much. Takes a little practice looking at it, but it's absolutely fitting here very well. So also I brought up this other picture, this other colorized picture of the moon, this area of the moon that I downloaded off of Google Earth, Google Images. I mean, that's this one. Okay, and just to show you that it's lined up the same, let me just show you here. It's close. It's very close. See this crater here, this crater here, this crater here. They're all pretty close. See that? Okay, so now just with the color. Okay, and then this is one here is off of the same program. This picture is off of Google Earth. So this is Google Moon here. This is the same crater from Google Moon, and you can see the same thing. I'm going to bring up another picture too of North America without any clouds. There you go. So if the Earth hit that spot, and because that's just a little area of the moon, that means the moon is so much bigger. I mean, this is an oversized picture of North America right here. Actually, I mean, it's oversized, as you can see. It's not that. This is a little bit. It's bigger than this right here. So the picture I have up here is oversized, but not much. You know, just about 30% maybe 30%. So anyways, let me show you the other picture of North America I have up here. here, this is North America, same picture, pretty much without any clouds. Close, it's pretty close. You see how it moves a little bit, but close enough. Okay, so there's that, and then bring those pictures back up. And you can see what creates those lakes. And it's just a nice overlay. I'd have to say that's got to be a for sure one. I mean, it's a definite. With the weather, just no doubt. I mean, you see that right there. That right there. So is the rest of the picture. The curve right here. Look, it's curve. Right there. This area, whatever that is, it's a definite. It's a definite. It fits there perfectly. Something hits there, and it looks to me like it's that, because you see this crater there. You can, if you look at the details, you'll see. Let's try it. That's a reversed image of the moon. It's a flipped over image of the moon. You have to flip the image over to the moon before you overlay it onto the Earth to see that it fits. Look at that, centered and everything, just centered right there. Very nice fit. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's a good one. So anyways, I actually don't think that I have to show any more stuff to prove my point. That either the moon has hit the Earth, and these images, that's what these images are showing, or these images are showing something that's a lie. It's your choice. I mean, either they're trying to show us something that didn't happen, or they're trying to show us something that did happen. One of the two. And I have to say, looking at the history of the Earth and the geology of the Earth, I'd have to say, you know, something happens. Something bigger than little meteors and comets. The bullshit, the shit that they say that killed the dinosaurs, it's bullshit. You know, you can believe whatever you want. I'm not trying to change your belief, but I'm just trying to tell you, you need to just, you know, just look at the Earth. That's all you got to do, really, is look at the Earth and the weather. If you study the weather and you study the Earth, then you should know already. You should know this already. And this is what the Earth has in its future, and this is what it's had in its past. No question. That just answers it all. Just answers it all. Maybe not for you, but it sure as hell does for me. Tells me all I need to know. How everything on this Earth was basically created. All the gold, how it got here, everything. Diamonds created, you name it. Yep. So anyways, that's enough. That's all I have to show. I don't even have to make any more videos. But I probably will. Alright, have a good day.